tomato plants. I gotta get these in the ground first soon. Yes, this is the Morning Garden Show. And also, if you haven't, subscribe. And please leave comments. I appreciate them. So we got corn behind it. We got tomatoes. And there we also have my flowers. Put them in about 4 or 5 days ago. And my favorite. I had to redo these. They're peppers. The lights are out now because it goes off at 9 o'clock and this is like 10 something. I'm shooting these. Peppers. Lots and lots of peppers, my favorites. All right. This is the Morning Garden. Keep on growing.